There goes a mermaid. Okay, swim, Brianna.
Swim like a mermaid.
Swim.
Swim.
Swim, Brianna. That's the whole
Swim
point that
like
we
a
look
mermaid.
at.
Use your mermaid tail. Use your tail.
Brianna, I like that you found the
Here,
clam.
let me do your arms.
Did you find
Do your
this?
tail. There you go.
Brianna, I'm throwing the clam back.
Here, come this
Don't worry
way.
about him. Do your tail. Don't worry about it. Do your tail. Got it? All right.
Grandma, our clam's
Go.
bad.
There you go.
Is this
Keep
bad
going.
for water?
Don't worry about it. Keep going.
I want to throw it back. Can I?
Stop using your mouth for a second.
Oh, this is hard.
Go out here, Brianna.
Go where it's clear, where we can see your tail.
You're kicking up all the sand so we can't see your tail. There she goes.
All right. That was good.